In this video, we are going to discuss the lens maker's formula for the convex lens, the biconvex lens. See the ray diagram. Biconvex lens, mu2 is the refractive index of the material of the lens, mu1 outside, the refractive index of the medium outside the lens. Here, what happens when the point object O, from this point object, a ray is striking onto the surface A P1x, and after refraction, here the refraction number 1 occurs, then it bends towards the normal. This is the normal here, it bends towards the normal, and second reflection occurs here. So here the normal is this, so it goes away from the normal, so it goes away from the normal, and final image is formed at I. And the rest naming I had given that P1 the pole of the surface, P2 second surface, C2 C1 center of curvature, C2 center of curvature number 2, O is the object, here the I is the image, final image, the portion of the final image, right? And because the rays are going to meet at here. Now what is this particular position? If this surface would not be there, A P2x P2y, then image is going to form at here. But क्योंकि ये सरफेस नहीं है, अगर ये सरफेस नहीं होता तो इमेज फाइनल इमेज यहाँ बनता, but because of this image, this surface, the final image is formed at I. It goes, so two times refraction occurs. First the refraction from now step 1, we have to use the refraction at the spherical surfaces. Step 1, first the refraction by this surface A P1y. The refraction by A P1y. So with the help of that particular expression of the formula, we are using it. Here the refraction occurs from rarer to denser medium. Object is in the rarer medium. So what we have to write? Minus of mu1 by u plus mu2 by v is equal to mu2 minus mu1 by r. Which r we are talking about? Here the first refraction occurs from this, so this particular value r1 we have to take, this r1. That is equation number 1. Now the point is that here u is the distance, and if this particular refraction, ये refraction पहला surface के लिए है, और वो पहला surface का मतलब है ये surface नहीं है, अगर ये surface second surface नहीं होता तो image यहाँ बनता, तो that is your, this distance is v1, so it is better to use v1. Step number 2, refraction by second surface A P2y. Again the same type of expression we have to use here. Here we will get the refraction from denser to the rarer medium, and how to write it? Minus mu, object is in the denser medium, so mu2 by u plus mu1 by v is equal to mu1 minus mu2 by second radius, that is your mu r2. Now here this particular juncture, one very important point, what is the final image, and what is the object? Object, just to see here, for the second surface this particular I dash behaves as a virtual object you have to write it here. For second surface, I dash behaves as virtual object. Virtual object. That means here u becomes v1. So equation 2 becomes ये लगता है कि यहाँ इमेज बना है आभासी वर्चुअल ऑब्जेक्ट जैसा बिहेव करता है. सेकेंड सरफेस के लिए आई डैश बिहेव्स एज अ वर्चुअल ऑब्जेक्ट एंड द फाइनल इमेज इज हियर. सो आई एम रिप्लेसिंग दैट माइनस mu2 by v1 plus mu1 by v is equal to mu1 minus mu2 by r2. That is your equation number 3. So just to see equation number 1 and equation number this one 3. In this equation, just you add it, equation 1 and equation 3. So adding 1 and 3, what we will get? Just to see, this particular term is going to cancel. This minus mu2 by v1 plus mu2 by v1. So ultimately we will get mu1 by v minus mu1 by u is equal to, here mu2 minus mu1 by r1, and here it is plus mu1 minus mu2 by r2, or mu1 common we have taken 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to, now take out mu2 minus mu1 common. So here it will be 1 by r1, and here if you are taking it, writing it here, take out the minus 1 common, then it will change to mu2 minus mu1. So it is minus 1 by r2. देख लीजिए, अगर इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे वही चीज़ आएगा. ठीक है, यहाँ mu2 माइनस mu1 था, यहाँ mu1 माइनस mu2. इसको अगर हम ऐसा लिखते mu2 माइनस mu1, तो यहाँ निगेटिव साइन आया था, वही निगेटिव साइन, और इसको हम कॉमन ले लिया. अल्टीमेटली यू विल गेट 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to mu2 minus mu1 by mu1 within bracket 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. Give it equation number 4. Now we got this particular relation, equation number 4 we got this one. Now just to see, for the lens, if u object is at infinity, then image is at focal length f, always, maybe of convex or the concave. For the convex or the concave, in both the cases, concave and the convex. So putting this particular condition in this equation number 4, so equation 4 becomes 1 by f, this is the equation number 4, putting the value 1 by f minus 1 by infinity is equal to mu2 minus mu1 by mu1 and 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. 1 by infinity is 0, so 1 by f is equal to, here it is, mu2 by mu1 minus 1, 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. Equation number 5. Now just to see, this is the equation number 5. This equation is known as Lense-Maker's formula. Lense-Maker's formula. And by seeing this particular equation, if we are going to see compare the equation, if we are comparing the equation 4 and 5, 4 is this and 5 is this. By comparing this equation number 4 and 5, what we are getting, 1 by v minus, right hand side is same. Right hand side is same. This is mu2 minus mu1 by mu1. Both are same. 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. This is known as the thin lens formula. Thin lens formula. Right. This is your Lense-Maker formula, and then comparing this equation and this equation, right hand side is same, so equating the left hand side, 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. That is the thin lens formula. Very, very important. So revising it, Lense-Maker formula very important for the convex lens. Biconvex is the diagram. Ray is here, the two reflection occurs. First the reflection rarer to denser, second denser to rarer. Apply the reflection formula or the expression for the reflection at the spherical surfaces. We are using, only thing is that you have to remember I dash works or acts as a virtual object for the A P2Y. A P2Y second surface के लिए I1 या I dash virtual object जैसा काम करता है, and I is the final image. And then you have to just go through it, just this expression, this and just calculation, simple. Okay, and finally this is the Lense-Maker formula, this is the thin lens formula for the condition this. Right.